Okay, so far we have discussed about the competition, price, and strategy. Let us now talk about some practical aspects of revenue management, i.e., distribution and inventory management. Let's talk about distribution management first. So, what is a distribution and channel? So the distribution means that how the property or the hotel is selling its room to the last consumer. You may have a lot of choices when you are selling your hotel rooms. You may be selling them on your own website. You may be selling them through the online travel agents. You can be selling them through the travel agents. There people can book you directly. People can book you through Facebook Messenger. People can book you via corporate bookings, can book you via links. So, and also the booking can come from the centralized reservation systems. Other companies can refer. There you may have agents, you may have sales representatives, you may have regional sales offices. So there are many ways how you can sell your hotel business. So let us look at them one by one. Online through the on your own website. So this is one of the cheapest method to sell. The only thing you need is a website. You may have a booking engine, you may not have a booking engine. You may need to provide your pictures, nice description, booking button. You may get direct bookings via, if a guest is going on website, click book now. You may get an email, or it may directly get lead to a booking engine where they can make check the availability and book immediately, pay immediately, and then that booking can come down to your reservation staff. You can either enter them manually, or you may have an integration with your property management system where it goes directly into the property management system. So there are many variations of selling online. So what is the cost of selling through the website? Practically nothing, but you need to still market it. You need to make sure that your website reach to your audience. So how you are going to do that? You need to involve marketing for that. You may need to do search engine optimization, search engine marketing, paid ads, Google ads, Facebook ads, and then there are host lot of techniques where you can grow your website in the middle of the audience. So since that is not a topic of our course, we will skip that and we will learn that in another course. The other channel is online travel agents. So online travel agents means they are actually a travel agent selling your hotel room on your behalf at your published rates. So basically it can cover agoda.com, Expedia, there are new Trivago, there are other websites now, TripAdvisor. Google is also now getting to be an online travel agent because they are also accepting they have a booking engine travel sites where you can book through the Google directly after you are searching. So hotels need to find the ways how they can effectively reach the customers directly at the decision making points. The idea here in both the cases is to reach the customer when they want to make a decision. So you may want to reach the customer when they are searching where they should go. So you need to reach them via organically, via blogs, or via online, via ads, via Google ads, display ads, or however retargeting. And also you need to provide them an option to make a booking immediately. Most of the time nowadays, if you don't grab the chance when the person is going to make a decision immediately, you may lose the customer at all. The other channel is offline travel. Sorry, we forgot to talk about the cost. The cost of online travel agents are usually commission. So it can range from 10% to 20% or maybe even more, depending on what kind of promotions you normally are involving or you normally are accepting from those online travel agents. The next category is offline travel agents and also the tour operators. So they are not selling your hotel rooms online. They make a bulk deal with the hotels. They get a special rate for selling the hotel, package them into one maybe itinerary with the other hotels, with the other excursions, airport pickups, spa, dinner packages, or any other entries in the surrounding area. They make it a tour, or they can serve only individual guests, or they can serve a group of guests, which becomes a tour package. So the offline travel agents usually mark up quite high amount. to cover their own cost, their own office, sales, marketing efforts, and other costs. So that is the quite at times the most expensive channel to sell, but they provide you a stability. They provide you a minimum number of rooms that you can sell, you can fill up. It's a very important part in revenue management. Then the next one is global distribution system. There are GDS, there are CRS, there are other booking systems which provide which portray your properties on their platforms, where either the individual travelers or the corporate travelers can make the booking directly to the hotel website or to the hotel property management system through integrations. So these are again new more distribution channels, which is usually you have hotels normally have to pay a fixed fees for registering your property on those channels. If your property has a lot of corporate guests and other meeting planners, then it's worthwhile to use these channels. If your property has only the individual travelers, leisures which are coming for leisure, then those channels may not be very relevant for you. Other channels are corporates. It's for normally for business hotels. Even for leisure hotels, usually corporates make the bookings for retreats, for team building activities, normally through any other event planner or event manager. So you may want to have contacts with the team building peoples or with the meeting planners or the event managers, so that you can get some bookings through those things. Business hotels usually have direct contact with the corporate peoples, where the employees or the customers of those particular corporates can come and stay at the hotel using their preferential rate, which we have extended to the corporate company. The next one is the direct inquiries. People sometimes they don't want to book via online. They just call the hotel directly after looking at the reviews or via Facebook, the advertisements. They may not contact you immediately at that point of time, or they may not make a booking at that point of time, but they may contact the hotel directly to get the check the rooms availability, to have to satisfy their special requirements, maybe anniversary or honeymoon or any other surprise, or they may have other special requirements which they want to fulfill and want to contact the hotel directly. So these are the direct inquiries. Usually these are cost free because the customer has found the hotel and is booking. So normally again the most profitable channel of selling room. Then we have sales offices and call centers. Sometimes the hotels outsource their reservation system through the other call centers, or they have representative office in many different countries. So we want to know the distribution, how much then demand is being generated by each particular segment. What is the ADR, what are the room occupancy, how profitable are they compared to the cost that we have to pay for managing them, so that we can maximize our profitability. The last one is the brokers and also the loyalty programs. The brokers are working similar way as the agents, except that they don't take the bookings, or they just refer the customer and then they take the commission from you after the booking is materialized. Loyalty program is also the hotels, normally the hotel guest who has been already staying at the hotel. You may have provided them a program, you may have provided them the points. They may book directly via special concierge or special or via website mentioning their loyalty card numbers, so that they can get more points. So normally these loyalty program are also virtually cost free, because they except the website maintenance or the platform maintenance, that doesn't cost anything extra. Now, why we need to know different channels? Why we just don't focus on the bookings coming in? We need to know which channel are more profitable, because every channel has different costs. Some needs platform maintenance, some needs commission, some needs profit sharing, some needs price sharing, some needs fixed cost, salaries or registration costs. So we need to understand what kind of bookings are we getting from each particular channel, what kind of rates we are getting for each particular channel, and what is the profitability of these channels. Now we also may want to know what kind of channel is working in for what type of guest. Maybe the Agoda is working for corporate guests, or booking.com is working for more leisure guests. what kind of room we are being able to sell through what kind of distribution channel, so that we can plan our marketing activities through through these channels to be more effective and get more value out of our spending. If we are not getting any suite booking through booking.com or our own website, there is no point on creating ads or spending money on advertisements through these platforms, rather than where we should spend where it's we can know that we will be able to get the results. Another thing is the country, which type of demography that geography these channels are working for. If the US customers are coming mostly by Agoda or coming by booking.com, and you want to attract more of them, so where you should go to booking.com, right? So it will give you a lot of insights, lot of marketing insights, where to make the promotion, when to make the promotion, what channels you want to use to attract, to promote, so that you can get maximum out of your ad spend, maximum out of your time spent, maximum of your promotional spends. So that is the meaning and the importance of distribution channel. So in nutshell, we need to look at each channel, their production, their cost, and what kind of room segment or geography we are being served by that particular channel to maximize our revenue and profits.